Many knows about moonlight exercise, full moon exercise. Many knows about rising of the sun exercise or rituals. But today we are going to discuss sunset exercise, and that is why we are here. So we have talked about sunrise exercise, we have talked about full moon exercise, but I've not discussed about sunset exercise, and that is why we are here today to do justice to that. Yes, because sunset exercise is one of the powerful tools you can use to put your enemies, excuse me, in problem, in shamble, and dismiss hello, them my wonderful friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, because they cannot. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I want to say thank you to my wonderful subscribers. Okay, to my new subscribers, God bless you all for me. To my returning friends, thank you so much for believing in us. To my new friends, thank you. This is Chris Linkabel. God bless you all for me. All right, so excuse me, we all know that sun rise from the east and set where at the east, at the west, right? Yep. So many don't know the significance of this rising and falling. Let's just talk about rising and falling. No, when something rises, there must be a time it's gonna go down, right? Okay, so let's assume that your enemy plan your fall, because you must have reason for them to plan your fall, but you don't know whom or whoever that is in charge of it. You can as well practice this ritual. If you're married and your man is going after some of these small girls, and if care is not taking, you about losing your home to a strange woman, that is just rising of your marriage and falling of it. They are the falling of the marriage. So we can do this as well. If your business, you must have set up a business, and it's a verge of booming very well. Before you know it's something from no, you don't even know where it's coming from. We just struck, and you are down again to zero. So that is just the significance of rising and falling. Okay, so if you want to do morning rituals of using the rising sun, you have to do it for rising. Okay, yeah. Then for setting down is to to scatter out, to swallow up something coming up. Okay, how do we go about it? Because I'm so sorry, I supposed to use soil to practice this, but because of the heavy rain we had since yesterday, I couldn't get sand or soil for those rituals. But that is what we all need for this. And please, you have to make sure that your hands are clean, like you are not, your hands are not, dirty. You know what I mean? You did not plan the fall of anybody. You must not have conspired to bring down anybody. You must not put tears on someone's face, or marriage, business, or anything. So if you are doing this and you have done any of this, please, it's going to backfire. So please search yourself, search your heart, search your conscience. If you have done this, don't ever venture into practicing this, because it's going to backfire. Okay. All right, so how do we go about it? Because I know many people will be like, please do first and tell us. I must tell you the steps, because if you ever miss any, it is going to be a disaster. Please. All right, so first and foremost, you have to know the person or where it's coming from. If you don't know the persons by name, if you don't know whoever that is in charge of you falling by name, please don't bother much. Okay, what you need to do is this: once the sun is setting down, is going down, like after rising is setting, right? Yes, once the sun is setting down, please go to T, 3 or 4 junction, depending the rituals you want to perform. If you don't know about 3T junction or 4T junction, please check my previous post. I have videos on those ones. Okay, yeah. Once you get it, so depending where you are or where people step on, so just go there and pack some sand. Okay, you would have used this sand, this palms, you have pour it in, no, but this time around, because it's setting down, we have to pour it here. We have to pour it here. Okay, and then watch it, allow it to settle down, even if it's just one that was able to stand still. please, you must go with it. So you must not have full of it. You can just have just some, some drops, while your palms is facing down, and you are to face the direction of the sunset. Okay, yeah. Once you face it, you walk through, you face it, look at it very well, and then you mention the name of the person if you're sure. If you are not sure, please don't ever mention anybody's name. You pray that as the sun, as the west is swallowing the sun, which is the sunset, you are commanding that the west should swallow whoever. If you know the person's name, you call it. If you don't know, please don't call. That's in charge of my predicaments. The west should also swallow up whoever that's in charge of the tears. Don't wear your foot wears. You must be on barefoot, 10 toes. Okay, yeah. Once you are done, what you need to do is just to blow it out there and go your way. Please, this is a sure game. Don't do it if you have caused anybody pain. Don't do it if you have caused anybody tears. You don't do it if you have done anything that filtered your hands. Don't do it. It is not, it may not work for you, or it will backfire, because it's possible what you're passing through may be revenge. Okay, yeah. Because let me tell you, karma is real. You can't do away with karma. You can do it with every other thing, but you see, karma, it must surely pay back. There is no two ways about it. That's what I always tell my friends. Please make sure you, whatever you are doing, you keep your hands very neat. Okay, so if you want to try this, go ahead and try this if you're fit to try it this anyway, because many may like to try it, but because they are not fit to try it, they may not be able to get what they want. Okay, right, friends, I'm going to stop here for now. See you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Yeah, I love you so much. Thank you for your support. Do this and then give me the feedback. I'll be here waiting for you. Bye.